and welcome to another assembly. Today we are going to be visiting Year 5, finding about our Stars of the Week and celebrating life at the park. This Sunday is World Poetry Day and we will be hearing from some teachers and children about their favourite poems. To begin with, let's visit Year 5 and some of our teachers who have some great poems to share. Over to you, Year 5.
It was Brillick, and the slithy toves did Gaia and Gimble in the wave. Oh, and Mimsy were the Borogoves and the Momerats. Outgrave! Beware the Jabberwock, my son. The jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the Jubjubbers, and Sean the frumious Bandersnatch. He took his vorpal sword in hand. Long time the Manxon foe he sought. So rested he by the Tumtum tree, and stood awhile and thought. And as the offish thought he stood, the Jabberwock with eyes of flame came whiffling through the Tolgy wood, and burbled as it came. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through. The vorpal blade went snick and snack. He left it dead, and with its head, he went galumphing back. And hast thou slay the Jabberwock? Come to my arms, my beamish boy, or Frammush day, Calloo Calais. He chortled in his joy. 'Twas Brillick and the slithy twelves did Gaia and Gimble in the wave. Old Mimsy were the Borogoves, and the Mome Rats outgrave.
Please do not feed the animals. Please do not feed the ostriches sandwiches, or the polar bears eclairs. Do not offer the wombats kumquats, or the rattlesnakes fruitcakes. Remember that piranhas are not allowed bananas, or partridges sausages. Never approach a stork with things on a fork, or the bustard with a plate of custard. No leopard likes anything peppered, and meerkats disdain Kit Kats. Remember that grapes upset apes, and meringues do the same for orangutans. Most importantly, do not feed the cheetah, your teacher.
This poem is called Everybody Has a Name. Everybody has a name. Some are different, some are the same. Some are short, some are long. All of them are right, none of them are wrong. My name is Miss Teffrey, and that is special to me. That is exactly who I want to be.
Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then our teacher fell into the pond, and everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Rayhan danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick, oh quick, he's crawling out of the duckweed. Click. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently, and the ducks all quacked as if they were daft, and it sounded as if an old drake laughed. Oh, there wasn't a thing that didn't respond when our teacher fell into the pond.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to share with you a poem which I absolutely love, and I love it because it makes me laugh, and so I'm linking it in with this Friday's Do Something Funny for Money, and it's all dressing up in silly costumes, etc. And here is one of my favourite poems. It's called Louder by Roger Stevens. Okay, Andrew, nice and clearly, off you go. Welcome everybody to our school concert. Andrew, mums and dads won't hear you at the back, will they? Welcome everybody to our school concert. Louder, Andrew! You're not trying. Project your voice. Take a big breath and louder. Welcome everybody to our school concert. For goodness sake, Andrew, louder, louder. Welcome everybody to our school concert. Now, Andrew, there's no need to be silly.
Wonderful stuff. Let me tell you what I think about poetry. Poetry can mean different things to different people. It can be entertainment and jokes. It can also be a way of talking about deep and serious thoughts. Sometimes it rhymes, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it has a rhythm, sometimes it doesn't. Mr. Walker has been working with the children in Year 5 and they've been creating poem stories which tell interesting snippets of our lives. Now we're going to visit Miss Burnett for our sign of the week and then go back to see some of the poetry that the children in Year 5 have been writing about in their own lives.
One action.
Action!
Hey, we've been writing poems about the extremes of our emotions. This is inspired by a poet called Kate Clancy. We hope you enjoy.
What I hate about laughter is noise.
What I hate about broccoli is the crumbly texture in my mouth. What I love about normal weather is when I get the nice breeze on myself as well as the hot sun.
What I love about the snow is you can make anything with it, but what I hate about snow is that it makes my hands numb.
What I hate about the sun is that it makes me moody. What I hate about happiness is being sent to bed.
What I love about fidgeting is you will never get bored of it.
What I love about winter is hot chocolate. What I love about Subway is the melted cheese.
What I hate about egg is that it's smelly, like really smelly.
What I love about creativity is imagination.
What I love about McDonald's is the burgers. What I love about my bed is it's comfy.
What I love about creativity is when the stuff that comes out of your brain. What I hate about creativity is when you're out of ideas.
What I hate about blue cheese is that it stinks.
What I hate about cats is they scratch.
Love about horses is their kind, funny humor.
What I hate about Mondays is the early mornings when you drag yourself across the floor.
What I love about chips is potatoes.
What I love about laughter is that it feels like it never ends.
What I love about love is the hot water and the soft bubbles. What I love about the sun is that you can take 1 million photos of you chillaxing by the park or beach.
What I love about kindness is how safe I am.
What I hate about curiosity is when I get a bit nosy. What I love about laughter is a good energy in me.
What I hate about power is that it feels like fire burning in my hands. What I love about anger is that you can get your feelings out.
What I hate about kindness is sometimes people are way too kind.
What I love about generosity is when you feel proud of yourself.
Poetry looks really interesting, Year 5. Well done. It makes me want to write a poem. Let's hear some stars of the week now. Let's hear first from Early Years and Key Stage 1. From Little Park, we have Arian and Mahira. From Reception, we have Aliyah, Kian and Elizabeth. From Year 1, we have Safwan, Zachariah, Agota. From Year 2, we have Jemiah, Sammy, Alina. Great. Now it's not just poems we're sharing this week, we're also getting creative for comic relief and we've been writing jokes. Let's see some of our winning jokes.
I've got a joke for you. If you ever want to play hide and seek in the hospital with the doctors, what room do you never step foot in? I don't know. In the ICU. A person who has an egg on his head. Why did the boy throw the clock out the window? Because excited to see time fly.
I don't know. Why did the fishy see the moon? Because it was
Starry.
Because it was starry. Yes, there you go.
I can't cross the road because you wanted to watch the movie. What bow is impossible to tie?
What bow is impossible to tie?
It's a rainbow. If you go in the market, what you're gonna do? A poo.
I like stairs because they're always up to something. Why don't I like stairs? Because they're always up to something. Why don't I like stairs? Because they're always up to something. Why don't I like stairs? Because they're always up to something.
I just can't do it. What do you call somebody with no body and no nose?
Nobody knows.
The lettuce was ahead, but the tomato was trying to catch up. What do you call Donald Trump in a dog? Donald Trump! What is a photographer's favourite food? It's cheese.
And finally today, let's hear our Stars of the Week in Key Stage 2. From Year 3, we have Ada, Lubana and Mizan. From Year 4, we have Ronnie and Samaya. From Year 5, we have Yuzel and Rasik and Sanika. From Year 6, we have Eva, Bogdan and Oscar. Have a great week, everyone, and enjoy Red Nose Day.